So breath work, take 1. Slap. Hi, Anja here, Parenting Success Coach, helping you feel successful in your parenting. Today I'm going to share with you some breath work that is from a child's point of view that has really helped children. When I was teaching yoga to kids with anxiety and when I've been teaching preteen classes and kindergarten classes, the breath work seems to be the key that can help our children deal with life. Deal with life in terms of their being anxious about something, being nervous about something, getting super excited and needing to calm down, all the different areas that happen. So I want to share these with you today and have your children watch with you maybe, or bring them into your daily life. These do work for us too. So the best thing that we always recommend is, write them out maybe and put them on your fridge. I actually have a free handout to this that I will link over here. Otherwise, so that you can really start to incorporate them every day. So it's a muscle, it's learning how to breathe. When we are anxious, stressed, or tight, right, we hold our breath. So what we're trying to do here is to really let the breath flow, which will help with our mind, which will help with our body. Okay, so the first one, a very simple one to help our children. This is a great one to use in school because you can actually do it against your leg as opposed to holding up your hand, and it's called Take 5. Okay, so the idea, you're starting with a fist, and then as you breathe in for the count of 5, you're opening up each finger, and as you breathe out, you're lowering your fingers back down. Okay, so breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 2 rounds of that bring you to this moment, right? A couple of rounds of that, you might feel like you're still feeling a little anxious. Go again, right? And again, like I said, you can do it against your leg. You could do it just using your mind. Start to incorporate that in your life to help bring you to this moment. Another one, a very simple one, when we're really stressed out, again, we're up in our head, we're thinking, our body is tense, is to take your hands right away and place them on your belly. And then take your breath in, like you're ballooning this belly into your hands. And as you exhale, let your belly button come back towards the spine. When we're anxious, we're breathing up here. We're trying to bring our breath right down into our belly. Breathe into your belly, really sort of even fake it for a bit till you can get your breath there. And as you exhale, draw your belly button towards your spine. A few rounds of this can help take you out of your crazy mind, crazy thoughts, into everything's okay. I've got my breath. I'm able to calm myself down. Okay, another one, more of a stronger visual to it that will really help children is when we're really feeling tight, we're feeling anxious about something in particular. We're stressed about too much homework. We're stressed about not having friends, or we're anxious that our teachers' expectations, our parents' expectations, having to perform well in a piano recital, whatever it be. This is a really good one where we get the body involved. It's called Volcano Breath. We can do it from standing with our feet sort of anchoring us, and we can do it from seated. Okay, so you take your hands at your center, and it's going to be 3 sharp inhales through the nose as you come up into your volcano, and as your volcano explodes, we're exhaling. Okay, and you want to be exhaling. In the teaching, we use a word, we say it out loud, right? Whatever it is we're anxious about. You can also do it where you're thinking it, but for kids, they like that visual. It sounds good to just let it out, right? What you're letting go of. All right, so I'll demonstrate it for you. Volcano breath. Breathe in and out as you totally let it go. And normally we have to do this a few times, 3 inhales through the nose and the big exhale. And maybe at the top it's like, too much homework. We're just trying to let that go out of our physical body from holding it inside. I have actually used this at work where it got crazy and I was really stressed over a client I was dealing with, and I took myself off to the washroom and just quietly did my volcano, and it's amazing how we can switch our energy from getting a little more breath work, a little more control of our breath. Another version of this, a little quieter version, same idea without using the hands though. It's called bunny breath. And the idea is the same thing, feeling stressed, feeling anxious. Let's take it to the breath. And it's 3 breaths in through the nose and out, 1 last breath out through the mouth. Just what we were doing with volcano. So it's and they claim that that one is really good, better than taking coffee in the afternoon when you're on your slope down, to really bring that oxygen in. The very last one I want to show you today is called alternate nostril breathing. You'll find that in adult yoga classes a lot. We're going to make it much simpler for the children, but again, it's bringing our mind to this moment. I'm going to teach you the kid version. You're just going to take your hand and have your thumb and your finger close to your nose. And on your exhale, you're gently closing off your right nostril. Breathe out through your left. Then breathe in through the left. Close that off as you breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close that off. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Close that off. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through the right. Close it off. Breathe out through your left. The way that is amazing is you cannot be thinking of other things, right? Our children cannot be thinking about all the stuff they have to do or what they're concerned, worried, nervous about. It brings you to this moment. I've used that one a lot at traffic lights, right? When I'm feeling anxious in traffic, or I'm heading somewhere, or I'm late for something, or I've got lots to do, I don't close my eyes, and I just get my breath, inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. We tap into our nervous system, our parasympathetic nervous system, fight and flight, and bring us to this moment. I hope this helps you. I hope there's some breath work in there that you're happy to sort of try to practice with your children, or your children to practice this. Namaste. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the content, please make sure to subscribe. And if you want to find out more about me, my one-on-one coaching, my courses, my workshops, the links are in the description. Take care.